Live in this world, as if you are a stranger, or a wayfarer. Pay attention to Allah, and He will pay attention to you. Be content with what Allah has given you, and you will be the richest of people. Love for other people what you love for yourself. Do not laugh too much, for excessive laughter deadens the heart. Fear Allah, and treat all your children fairly. Deliberation is from Allah, haste is from Shaitan. The most beloved of deeds to Allah is the one that is continuous, even if it is little. The most beloved of places to Allah are the mosques. The most hated of places to Allah are the marketplaces. Whoever restrains his anger, Allah will conceal his faults. Beware of this world, for it is sweet and tempting. Trim your mustaches and let your beards grow. Give back the things you have been entrusted with, to the person who entrusted them to you. Eat with your right hand, and eat from what is in front of you. If Allah gives you wealth, let the blessing of Allah be seen on you. If you do something bad, follow it by doing something good. If you enter a house, greet the inhabitants with salam. If you ask Allah for anything, then ask Him for al-Firdaus. If your good deeds please you, and your bad deeds upset you, then you are a believer. When any one of you meets his brother, let him greet him with salam. Remember death when you are praying. Show mercy towards those who are on earth, so that the one who is in heaven will show mercy to you. The trouble with beauty is feelings of superiority. If you want to count the faults of anyone else, count your own faults instead. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, leave a thumbs up below, and subscribe to support our work, and for upcoming videos.